it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my friend Treasure. She about to be cracking you up, but anyway. Anyway, so we have a head wrap tutorial for you guys today. We're gonna be using different regular clothing items like shirts, leggings, stuff like that. So therefore, if you don't have like a big scarf or whatever, you can literally use clothes that you already have. So if you're interested, just keep watching. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now.
Hit the subscribe button right here.
Yeah, the subscribe button is like right here, I think. So yeah, if you guys have short hair, or I mean not bald, but if you have short hair, you could look at me, and then if you got hair, she got all this hair, so you could look at her.
And girl, we know how it get hard. You get a little harder wrapping the head when you get a little more hair.
So I'm gonna be starting with this long sleeve shirt that I have. Okay,
just a look at. Oh, it looks so easy. You can do anything.
For real.
You want to wrap your head flat and you got hair? You got to throw some cornrows in there, joint. It was nabs going down like that. Okay. Perfect that knot.
Yeah. I feel like I always do knots. Like knots are just so easy.
You know, you take a wig off. You still got the cornrows. You feel like, oh, okay, I'm about to wrap my head, and I get to be the flat joint one day. Oh, throw it to the back. Yeah. Put a little here. You know, you gotta play with.
Yeah, basically all these clothes, like you could really just play with them and then you'll figure it out. But yeah, so here's like a little top knot. You know, just wrap the sleeves around. Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
Ooh. What if we disappeared?
Oh, like that challenge.
Boom. You got a triangle up here. Not secure, right?
If y'all got a lot of hair, I don't know how y'all deal with it.
Around. You go to the middle of your hair, you put it in the back, tie a knot in the back. You could tie it anywhere you like, because honestly, you're not going to see it anyway. And then you're going to double knot that joint. And that's the easy part. You can pull the tail down. I do this, like, my tail be up. I'll be like this, so it's secured. Feel me? I like security. Now, you know, I wear this out on a regular. If you got a scarf and you want to do that, you could do that too. But if you want to just cover it all, like your curl pattern, and come out how you perceived it to be, how you foreseen it, because you know how that goes sometimes. This is a dashiki. Everybody got these dashikis. I don't know if you can see it. It's a cute pattern. I'll be messing with it, you feel me? So take the sleeves of the dashiki, and we just gonna get a knot right here. Okay. Because we don't want rough corners, you feel me? This is this. There it is.
Yeah.
Dashiki on the head.
Alright, so now y'all, I'm gonna just take a cami and I'm gonna make like a low knot type of thing.
You gonna put the knots to the, you gonna put the, what do you call it, to the back?
What, the knot?
No,
The strings?
yeah. Oh, no, that would.
I think putting it behind my ear looks so weird.
It does, especially on your forehead. She got a little head. Little peanut head.
And then this one you can just like wrap it around into a little knot and make it work.
Oh, that looks so simple.
Yeah.
I wish you had it a little easier. Your tutorial's a little longer. Apologize for that. This show, I don't want to take this down.
But yeah, so simple. Like if you just gotta run to the store or something, you feel me?
It's a very long maxi dress. All your stuff has to be a certain amount of size, because you don't, you know, you can't have a little bit of fabric.
Right.
You don't got no little bit of hair.
Well, let me know.
You could put this. You could put your hair in a what do you call it? A scrunchie. It's way easier. Easier, like a, you know what I'm saying? Like It's way easier to tie like that.
You know what I'm saying? I can use a little candy too.
Yeah, I can. You gotta tie your head with a can. How'd you tie your head with a candy? So I put it together like this, and I put my arm through. So I could make sure this lays down. And then you simply just cross. It's so simple. Now here, so you tie it around. Now here it looks so perfect, and you wish it would just stay, but you got all this fabric back here. We gotta do something with this. So you're gonna tie it a little tighter than initially, so you have room to go around. You feel me? And it doesn't look crazy. You see how you kind of fill in the gap with the rest of the fabric? This is my favorite way to tie, even when I just have regular fabric, like, you know, regular headscarf fabric, because it's just like so simple, and like I just love the way it always looks.
Just want to tuck the end, you feel me?
Yeah, feel me? But just, you can't even see it on that.
Can't even tell it's a dress. I remember she did this the other day, and I was like, wait, that's a dress. Like,
I had to finesse it. I had somewhere to be. And I had nothing that matched the dress. And I was not doing the hair. That was a no-go. So. All
right, so now I'm going to be taking a pair of leggings. I'm going to be taking a pair of leggings. This one, though, you can do it 2 ways. This one, you know what I'm saying? You could do the little wraparound. I'm going to do both for y'all. I'm going to do both because mine's going to be so fast.
Oh, that's one of my favorites. When I had a cornrows, and you do the edges, you be.
Oh, yeah.
This is intentional. She ain't got no edges, though.
All right, y'all. So y'all could just have the little wraparound thing going on. You feel me? Like a little crown. What you call it? Like a crown braid type of thing.
Yeah.
Or you could do a knot, as always.
A knot, as always.
So easy. Like, this one's a small knot because the leggings are so thin, but you feel me?
So we're gonna take the scarf and we're gonna do, you know, our basic triangle. Okay, and we're gonna put this all the way in the back. Tie it like you're about to go to bed type time. Like, here we go. See how it's a little flatter. And we're gonna tie it around and create kind of like this bun around the hair.
See, this for when you only got hair.
Now we have a skirt.
Like a maxi skirt with the slit in it, everything.
With the slit, I was going to show y'all something different, but I showed you something similar today earlier, so it's like pointless. Make sure your whole head is in the back. Put the whole thing back there. And we gonna take it like so. See that? And we're gonna roll. We're gonna roll tight, because we don't have time for that looseness. And we're gonna roll around. Okay. I like to untuck my ear. And
I always keep mine over my ear.
Even when I have hair, like long hair,
I really want to know, y'all, when y'all wrap your hair, do y'all put your hair wraps over your ear or under? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. You could really just play with like any piece of clothing that's like stretchy enough to like work with. Like if you just play with it, like you can really create something out of like almost any piece of clothes you have. Maybe even jeans. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Janai, Kirsten, and thigh.goddess.
Thigh, like leg thigh, and .goddess. You know?
So yeah, be sure to follow us. Also, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.